Assalamualaikum. My name is Qudsiya Zafar and today we are going to cover exercise 2A question number 5 from countdown 4, and the topic is rules of divisibility by 3. It's from chapter number 2, factors and multiples. Okay class, big number is shown here, and that is let's start from the right side. And we know that every house has 3 members, so if we start from the right side, then 0, 8, 7, this is from one's house, then 7, 9, 8, it's from thousand's house, then 2, 3, 4, they are from millions house, and 7, 6, 5, they are from billions house. And we know that every house is separated by comma, so it's a big number, and it's not included in the syllabus of class 4. But if someone gives you this number and asks that without dividing this number, tell me that is it completely divisible by 2, or is it divisible by 3, is it divisible by 4? So we can not tell them until we have the specific rules. So mathematicians have provided us the rules. Let's discuss these rules, but before we understand the rules, we have to understand the concept of divisible. So the rules of divisibility actually are the test of divisibility, and it's for every specific number is a rule for determining whether one whole number is divisible by another. So what does divisible mean here? Let's take example of a number. I have taken number 40. If I divide, see, divisible is derived from divide. So if we divide this number by, suppose, 5, if I divide this number by 8, if I divide this number by 9, then these number will be called divisors. So the outside of the division house will be called divisor. Okay, so let's read the table of 8, because we have to read the table of divisor to get the number that is inside it, that is called dividend. Okay, so 40 is dividend, 8 is divisor. Let's read the table of 8 to get 40 or closer to 40. So 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 20, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40. See, it comes in the table, 40 comes in the table of 8. So 5 8s are 40. Let's subtract them. 40 minus 40 is 0. So what we got here, that 5 is the quotient and remainder is 0. So what is left? Nothing is left. So whenever we divide any two numbers and the remainder is 0, in this case the divisor will become the factor of that number. So 8 is the factor of 40, or in other words, 40 is completely divisible by 8. Okay, so divisible means when we divide two numbers and the remainder is 0, then the divisor will become the factor, and 40 is completely divisible by 8 in this case. It is actually a quick way to find factors of large numbers. So when we have given large numbers and without dividing them, we have to tell that they are divisible. The given number is divisible by suppose 8. Then how can we find it? So let's understand the rules of divisibility by 3. Before we understand, we must know that what question we are going to do from countdown, new countdown book 4, and it's question number 5 from exercise 2A, and it is on page number 22. But before doing it, let's understand the rule. And first rule, that is divisibility by 2, that we have done. Now rule number 2, that is divisibility by 3. So what does this rule say? The rule is, if the digits of any numbers added up to a number which is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. It means whatever the number we have given, we have to add all the digits of the number, the given number, and the sum. If sum is the multiple of 3, or if the sum comes in the table of 3, then it means that the given number is divisible by 3. Let's take example. A number is shown to us. See, let's read it first. 50 million and 4. It's a very big number, but we have to tell whether this number is divisible by 3 or not without dividing it, by understanding only the rule. So rule says add up all the digits. So let's add them. 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4, and when we add all the digits the result is 9. Now read the table of 3 in your mind. What do you think? Does 9 come in the table of 3? Yes, 9 comes in the table of 3. So 9 is divisible by 3. When 9 is divisible by 3, automatically the whole number 50,000,004 is also divisible by 3. Take another example. We have number 3113. In this case, what we will do? We will add all the digits. As per rule, we will not divide them, we will add all the digits. 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 5 plus 3 8. So now read the table of 3. What do you think? Does 8 come in the table of 3? No, 8 does not come in the table of 3. So 8 is not divisible by 3. So if 8 is not divisible by 3, so it means the complete number 3113 is also not divisible by 3. Now let's do question number 5 from exercise 2a. You have to open your notebooks, draw margin lines on both of the sides, write down date and day, and let's start question number 5. Question number 5 is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? As I have told you in previous divisible by 2 video that you have to write the rule first. So first we will write the question, A part, that is 624. So in this case you will not check the digit given at the ones place. That is only for divisibility rule by 2. Then add up the digits. Rule says add up the digits, but first we have to write the rule. The rule says, if the digits of any number add up to a number which is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. So what we have to do now? We have to do few calculations. So let's add them. 6 plus 2 plus 4. Answer is 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. It comes in the table of 3. So when 12 is divisible by 3, automatically 624 is also divisible by 3. So quickly write it down on your notebook, and now we will do the B part. B part is 2358. They have not given commas, beta, you have to put commas by yourself. Okay, so first you will write the rule. If the digits of any number add up to a number which is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. In other words, you can also write that if sum of all the digits of the given number is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. So both of the rules are same, but beta, you have to memorize them. Now solution, 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8, add up the digits. Answer is 18. What do you think? Does 18 come in the table of 3? Yes, 18 comes in the table of 3. And 6 3s are 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. So when 18 is divisible by 3, automatically 2358 is also divisible by 3. C part. 130. Again the rule is same. We will write the rule. Then we will add the digits. 1 plus 3 plus 0, it's 4. What do you think? 4 is divisible by 3? No, 4 does not come in the table of 3. So 130 is also not divisible by 3. You have to attempt every part like this. Okay. Question number 5, part D, 3612. Rule, if the digits of any number add up to a number which is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. Solution, add the digits. 3 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2 is 12. So 12 comes in the table of 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3. So automatically 3612 is also divisible by 3. So question number 5 has only 4 parts, A, B, C, D. We have done question number 5. That's all for today. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.